Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready, watch charged, and your phone's Bluetooth on. Open the updated Sync app now and grant requested permissions so services can communicate. Tap Add Device and pick your watch model from the list. This initiates discovery. You do this because pairing uses Bluetooth and app permissions to exchange credentials and settings securely. Once the app finds your watch, accept the pairing prompt on both devices. That step verifies ownership and starts the encrypted link so data can flow safely. Once paired, configure what and how often you sync. You want to balance battery life versus freshness. Choose manual for minimal drain, 15-minute intervals for regular updates, or real-time for continuous data. Tap Data Preferences to include steps, heart rate, notifications, and calendar. Only enable what you need to reduce bandwidth. Make sure background refresh is allowed so scheduled syncs run, otherwise they pause when the app closes. Finally, set battery optimization exceptions so the app can run uninterrupted when needed. Complete the setup by running a full sync and checking values against the watch. Steps, sleep, and notifications should match. Enable cloud backup so settings and history restore if you switch phones. Once done, let the app perform a scheduled sync to confirm stability. If sync stalls, first restart both devices and retry pairing. This clears transient Bluetooth or service hung states. If problems persist, reinstall the app and repair. That fixes corrupted caches and reestablishes secure credentials between watch and phone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.